So we're back in our Bella Sun Luci kitchen and we've wrapped up our 2018 recipe contest. And now we're going to start with our honorable mentions, and today we'll be cooking up a Mediterranean skillet presented by Mary Hawks. So let's get started. So the first step in this recipe is to get your chicken sausage ready. So we'll start with putting our Bella Sun Luci extra virgin olive oil in a pan. Go ahead and put your sausage in and cook it until brown. Besides the oregano in the Greek bag, Mary suggested to use Italian sausage, which adds great flavor to the entire dish, so you don't need to add anything else. So now that the sausage is done, we'll go ahead and remove it and set it aside so we can continue cooking the rest of the ingredients in the same pan. So now go ahead and add some more olive oil to your pan so we can begin cooking our onions, bell peppers, and carrots. So while these are simmering, go ahead and add some chicken broth to pick up the brown sausage at the bottom of the pan. We're going to let the chicken broth come to a simmer and then let it sit for a couple of minutes. So now you can add your cannellini beans and your sun-dried tomatoes. Mary suggested using a half a cup, but we're going to use the whole bag. And then you can add lemon juice and a pinch of salt. So next we'll add our spinach and let it cook until it's completely wilted. So we're all done cooking now. At this point, you can take your pan off the heat and add back in your sausage that you held aside. And add your almonds on top. And now we'll go ahead and plate our dish and garnish with our cheese. We love this dish because of all the different flavors in it. You have the sausage, the spinach, the bell peppers, and how easy it is. It's really easy to make for an entire family. Everything's in one pot, so it's an easy cleanup. And then at the end, we just garnish with some Parmesan cheese, and you're ready to eat. So congratulations to Mary Hawks once again, and for everyone else, look out for our next month's honorable mention recipe. Start submitting your recipes for our 2018-2019 recipe contest at bellasunluci.com.